You are going to love the 2020 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Come see the car for yourself.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.